Okay, before we proceed, I just want to say that OPPO recently told me about their LinkBoost feature and suggested that I compare it with another phone to see how amazing it is. So in this video, I'm going to do just that. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So what the heck is LinkBoost? According to OPPO, it's their self-developed network optimization engine on the Reno11 series to achieve higher signal transmission and stronger reception. So many big words I cannot. So basically, it helps with better reception and also better signal transfer over 4G and 5G networks at difficult locations lah. So since I have the Honor 90 with me as well, so might as well I use both phones to check it out, okay? Let's go. So as you can see here, I'm holding both the Reno11 and also the Honor 90 into the lift while streaming YouTube. Instantly, we can see which one is actually loading and which one is not. This is all thanks to LinkBoost on the Reno11. For the next experiment is at B1 basement car park. I have both the Honor 90 and also the Reno11. And here I'm trying to stream Netflix inside the car park, and as you can see, the video on the OPPO Reno11 plays instantly while the Honor 90 struggles to load at all. Next experiment, I bring both the Reno11 and the Honor 90 into the lift while doing video call. And as you can see on the left, videos are very smooth, while on the right, the girl's face is already not moving. Even coming out from the lift, reception continues with LinkBoost. For phones without, we need to wait a while for it to happen. So even at difficult situations and locations, okay, LinkBoost actually ensures that we maintain stable data connection and reception all the time. So this means we have no issue, okay, with the Reno11 when we are at crowded places like concerts or inside the train. So in case you are not aware, okay, the Reno11 is currently the best telephoto portrait smartphone under 2,000 ringgit in the market now. It's almost like having photography studio in your pocket. Let me show you, okay? With the telephoto 32 megapixel lens, we can capture 2x portraits, which is similar to a 47mm focal length on a camera. Photos look great with realistic background blurs. This is actually thanks to OPPO's Portrait Expert engine that has a 4-part process to ensure subject and scenes are separated, skin tones are protected, facial clarity is enhanced, and portraits and environments are merged nicely. So there you go, the Reno11 with great portrait camera and LinkBoost technology under 2,000 ringgit. If you are looking for a new phone, I think this is what you are looking for, okay? Click on the details below the video now. If you love gadgets and all things technology, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, press on the red button below this video and share this video with your friends, okay? Lastly, don't forget to also follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop and I'll see you in the next one. Yo!